system, because this is axiomatic general. So I'm going to declare one variable for price where this variable is a connection between item and n. Okay, means item similar like item ID. N is maybe price for that ID lah. But here I didn't put the quantity as I told you in the lecture. I didn't put quantity. Means that for your order maybe you have 2 quantity, 3 quantity, then you have to do another thing like additional part here. Here I just put the price on it. So for each item there is a price. Okay, let's say we talk about drink in the vending machine, for example. 1 Coke maybe 3 ringgit, and then you have Pepsi 250 for example lah. So every item will have price. Yeah, so that is means my variable every item will have a price. Okay, so many to one because price can be the same. Maybe Pepsi 3 ringgit also, Coke also 3 ringgit, but 1 Coke only 1 price, 1 Pepsi 1 price only. Cannot have Pepsi 2 ringgit, here Pepsi 3 ringgit, cannot. Okay, so you cannot have that. That's why I use partial. Okay, so where I normally this one I read as well. Where if let's say I found price equals to empty, means that no item. I didn't select any item. Price is empty lah. So my total price that I have to pay same ah. This item to n is same as price ah. This bracket ah. So meaning that total price. So this is my domain ah for total price. So total price domain, if empty, then automatically I assign the price equal to 0. Yeah, but of course, if not empty, okay, if not empty, then I do looping. This is looping, set comprehension. Set comprehension inside another set comprehension, like loop inside another loop lah, something like that. So I do one by one. So I look at price 1. Let's say I bought Pepsi, Coke, and what? Sprite. All those things lah. Okay. So Pepsi, Coke, and Sprite. I bought 3. So item first item. So item must be domain price. Okay. Item I here. I is item means my I variable I of type item here. So item here I here is domain price. I'm talking about this domain price item here. Okay, so total price. Okay, total price here. So item here. The value that I want to here price I. Price I item right. Price I is n 3 ringgit let's say plus total price before that lah. If let's say 0 lah. But if not, then I actually add. Okay, I do like I take this. Okay, I price before that, then I remove the value after that. Means that it's like looping. You read first, okay, you take that value, then you go to the next. This one you remove it. So that, because looping, if you didn't remove it, it will still exist. Then you go for loop, calculate. So you remove this for calculation. You are not removing the data from your database. You remove this for your calculation of total price. Okay, so you read this, you get the price here, 3 ringgit. Okay, then you go to the next one. Also 3 ringgit plus the original total just now, 3 ringgit becomes 6. My total becomes 6. I remove that. Then I add to another one, third one. Let's say I have bought 3 so another 3 ringgit. So 6 plus 3, 9. Then no more. I remove this one, then no more. So total price that I have to pay is 9 ringgit. So it's like looping also here. This is looping inside another big loop. Looping inside another looping. That is what you mean by this. But in our Z schema, we didn't use for loop, while loop. That one is coding. So how to do looping in Z schema is by using set comprehension. Okay, so total price, this one, price, how to say, price I, price domain I. Okay, so actually you get n, actually that one, but you remove the whole thing after that. Okay, so total price you get n, then after that you remove this data. It's like, how to say that? You know, you get the data, you remove the data. You get the data, you remove the data. so that you don't do overlapping calculation. Okay, overlap of calculation. That is what you mean by this. So this one, okay, is actually 3, yeah? 3. But now because we do something like 2, because we put bracket here and then this one we do same thing, like 1. 1 here, 1 here. So the same thing. It's like summary of that lah. Price here is a summary of this. So here, the meaning of here is like price lah. The meaning of that is similar like price. So it's like domain and range also lah. Okay, because if you do triple, quadruple lah, there will be a lot here that you have to do. So this one is another concept. If you have other formula, also no problem. You can have a look at this. This one is another example. One of the example. It's not that you cannot find other example to replace this. It's one of the example. Okay? And then just now, if you want to add the item, this is how you add the item. It's like looping also. I have 3 items that I chose, right? So I add like this. You set comprehension. Means I do 1 by 1. Add into my database. Okay. So here, customer order. You see many to many related. One order can have many items. Okay. So this is how you do it. But I didn't put all because some of you will have similar. So I just take part here, just to show you how to do it. Okay? I don't put all. Okay? So please give an example. Okay? So something.
The total quantity of item in the order must be more than at least 1. Then the total quantity is like the drink quantity and food quantity add together. Then for this, I need to separate
food quantity and drink quantity.
I need to write the food quantity and
plus
the drink quantity is more than 0.
Okay? So I will see you next week.
Thank you.
Okay.